Good morning. This video is about imminent Israeli attack on Iran and possible Israeli options to attack Iran all the way from thousands of kilometers away. The route last time Israel took was through Syria, Iraq, and then Iran. And Israeli fighter jets needed refueling, which was done by American tankers on the way. Israel's first attack was with 200 fighter jets. Israeli Air Force has got about 350 fighter jets, including 223 F-16s, 87 F-15E used mostly for bombing missions, and F-41 F-35 fifth generation aircraft. So it's a mix of 4.5 and fifth generation aircraft, 7 Evokes, and multiple electronic jammers and electronic warfare systems, which Israel would probably not need. Israel will do the same attacks on Iranian different sites, but to attack Iranian nuclear sites, Israel will need B-2 bombers and American support, and Israel won't attack Iran until it will have full American support before the attack and during the attack. And we have unconfirmed reports that United States have said yes to that. So there is an attack imminent on Iran. The interesting thing to be seen is that Iran has upgraded its anti-missile, anti-air defense systems with radars and anti-SAM missiles from Russia and with the help of China and Pakistan as well. Very interesting. Pakistan has entered the scenario as well. Unconfirmed reports that Iran was trying to buy S-400 system. Russian objection was that these S-400 systems would be operated by Russian crew, not Iranian crew, and Iran has had an objection to that. So it would be very interesting that how Iran has prepared to those attacks, cause in June 12-day war, Iran attacked with complete impunity, with no friction from Iran. It could not do anything, helpless to Israeli fighter jets.